Hey kids and adults, ever get bored coloring the same old veggies? Want to make them pop off the page with bold, fun colors? You're in the right place. First, let's talk about the problem. Sometimes coloring can feel a bit meh. You use the same shades of green for broccoli or orange for carrots, and it just doesn't feel exciting. But guess what? I've got a super fun method to make your veggies look amazing. Let's jump in. Step 1. Gather bold and bright colors. Don't limit yourself to traditional colors. Think purple pumpkins, blue broccoli, and rainbow carrots. Grab crayons, markers, or colored pencils in every shade you love. Step 2. Get creative with your outlines. Instead of black or brown, use a contrasting color like turquoise or magenta. This makes your veggies stand out and look super fun. Step 3. Add patterns. Polka dots, stripes, zigzags, anything goes. For example, try drawing stripes on a tomato or dots on a cucumber. This adds texture and makes your artwork unique. Step 4. Mix colors. Don't be afraid to blend different shades. Start with a yellow base for a carrot, then add layers of orange and red to create a gradient effect. It'll look like your veggies are glowing. Step 5. Add a background. A colorful sky, funky shapes, or even other food items like cheese and bread can make your veggies pop even more. And there you have it. These easy steps will take your veggie coloring from drab to fab in no time. Remember, there are no rules in art. Just have fun and let your imagination run wild. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun tutorials. Keep coloring boldly, friends. See you next time.